era of the solo ace is over. In today's sky, you don't fly alone. You command ghosts. Survival is being rewritten. These wingmen are built to take the lethal shot meant for you. The pilot isn't just flying a jet anymore. He's directing a team of machines at Mach speed. Collaborative combat aircraft turn one fighter into a moving formation, an aerial pack with one human brain. In a real dogfight, the first advantage is contact. These drones push forward, so you don't have to. They don't need to win a duel. They just need to overload the enemy's ability to see and decide. Sometimes the smartest move is bait. A Ghost Wingman invites the chase, so the pilot stays alive. Flares, chaff, deception. The goal isn't elegance, it's breaking the enemy's certainty. A loyal wingman doesn't hesitate. It doesn't panic. It commits every single time. This isn't reflex anymore. It's geometry, played at Mach 1.5 with machines moving faster than human instinct. Think of it as autonomous chess. Position, sacrifice, and timing, decided in seconds, not minutes. One wingman hunts. It scouts ahead, finds angles, and feeds the fight with the first clean look. Another wingman jams, not with bullets, but by bending the battle's information into noise. Another becomes a shield. Disposable, yes, because a pilot is not. The cockpit is lighter now. The human can think, because the machines are carrying the risk. Against a swarm, the enemy isn't fighting one jet. He's fighting confusion, multiplied. The ghosts don't rush the kill. They shape the sky until the enemy has nowhere safe to go. Notice who shoots last. The pilot pulls the trigger only after the machines build certainty. The result is decisive and cold, not heroism, calculation. And sometimes, a ghost doesn't come home. That's the bargain. Machines fall, so humans don't. They're tethered to the fighter, collaborative, coordinated, and expendable when the mission demands it. This isn't just dogfighting. It's modern battle space, where distance, sensors, and autonomy decide outcomes. Defenses don't always get destroyed. Sometimes they collapse, because decision-making gets saturated. This is the revolution. Not one hero, but many teams, networked, autonomous, and brutally efficient. In the next war, the Wingman may be the main weapon. So tell me, who's really flying who?